Hello everyone, so welcome back. So this is my DIY solar emergency light, portable or portable bulb. So as you can see, so light lang siya. Used for the brownout usually sa Pilipinas. These are the components. Lithium battery, recycled or brand new. And then the LED bulb, 3 volts, 3 watts. So compatible sa lithium battery. So, kasi 3.7 yung lithium battery natin. Next, the charging port, C-type. So, built-in charge controller. Next, the BMS for battery charging or battery management system. So, the input and output. Then, this PSD switch. So, you can use another switch. Then, TP5000 for the lithium charge controller. Then utility box, and then may ano tayo dito, may DC for solar charging, DC port. So this is the C-type charging port, the DC solar charging port. Then the switch I already mounted. So, and then the lithium battery, BMS, and then the TP5000 charge controller. So, complete na ang ating setup sa ilalim. So, very simple lang. Gamit lang ng utility box, electrical utility box. Or any junction box. So, basta may box na pwede enclose or enclosure. So, under receptacle, bulb holder. And then, fitting. So, usually we can use this emergency light for typhoon or brownout. For emergency. So, tapos na. And then, let's test. Switch on. The switch. It's done. So, this is my DIY solar emergency light. So, for emergency use. Brownout. Okay. So, okay naman yung light niya. Medyo maliwanag. So, pwede na. So this is affordable. We can use the recycled material, for example, the lithium battery, the switch, the DC plug. Also, we can make a charge controller also. So maliwanag. So portable. So handy lang. Pwede natin ilagay sa kwarto, sa room, or sa sala, or sa kitchen. Okay. So as you can see, the light is on. Medyo maliwanag. Okay.